As an African, it's important to know the tradition and culture. So cooking this way is one of my favorite things to do. So guys, join us as we pound this yam together. Let's go. What's up, beautiful? It's your favorite girl Jojo Badet, and I would like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm here to show you guys how to prepare a typical Nigerian pounded yam with mortar and pestle in a village way. If you are new to this channel, please do me a favor to subscribe and be part of this journey with me to create a family. Thank you. This pounded yam didn't come out well the way I wanted it. We have different species of yam, so this one particularly that I'm using here was very strong. It wasn't meant for pounding. I did try my best as a housewife material 100 yard. Lol. So guys, keep watching this video till the end. Guys, we are going to enjoy this meal with banga soup. We already have banga soup in the refrigerator. We're just going to heat it up, then serve it with this pounded yam with my friend. So keep watching, guys, and let me know on the comment section how you feel about this video. And for the returning subscriber, thank you guys for your support. I appreciate you all. Bye.
Yeah, I'm enjoying my delicacy.
You need to talk again. I don't want to hear your voice again.
You want to hear my voice? Table manner, please.
I shout it.
When the panga, you know, they look smooth. They go. Guys, this is how we make banga soup with pounded yam. But it didn't come out well. The pounded yam didn't come out well the way I expected it.
Nigerian guys.
This is how we mold. As a typical African girl, this is how we eat. Oh, just stain myself.
This banga soup can't especially. What's the secret?
You shut up.
What's the secret, man? This country, they make person. Even if you say you don't want to eat garlic, sinners will come and say they want to eat.
Pounded yam is one of my favorites. Babe, you know how much I love pounded yam?
I'm not aware. Please try more.
I remember those days. Almost every day. I love pounded yam. Time.
Really?
Especially with vegetable soup. Wow.
What a wow.
Tingle.
I don't think they'll.
Let me show them what you eat. Say hi. Hi.
Yeah, I think the one. When you're in the mood, you don't like.
Now so
already.
typical African way. Now like this we dey eat as family. We not send. This is how we eat as family. This is so delicious. Good. And now I enjoy the soup well. Yeah. And it's going down well with this pounding.
If I drink water now,
Your belly will just
I don't feel that food again. I think maybe I have to drink water for food.
I did this pounding. Don't say why I see this kind of pounding. And we see it like this.
That's Ghana on.
Ghana pounding, abi? This one no be Nigeria pounding.
Look how I can say.
Banga soup, oh. Babe, I'm gonna go do that black soup.
On the shop. On the shop.
Oh. What you do?
Is that so?
No, with this kind of pound here. If the food just rest, and they go find that what you call it?
Yeah.
I need to exercise.
You're welcome.
I do small workout.
Oh.
It's not apple. It's pounded jam. Special pounded jam.
Yeah.
Originally made
From
liar. No, yeah. Special pounded jam just for you.
This type you go come make for them.
We'll do another one. And the yam fuck the whole thing up.
better energy.
Yeah. The yam just spoiled the pounding.
Okay, sorry.
So it didn't come out well the way we expected.
I'm managing that.
All go plant that yam. Time they go.
If you not plant the yam now, rain don't start though. Because normally that's from May, suppose don't they harvest.
I was so Sisi.
True.
Mike. Now,
Ask Mama how she dey take.
No,
Plant
get
yam.
ground now.
boy, we can't dig it down.
The problem in my own is say if you say
You
we
see
don't get
to
this,
remove some
if you say interlocking no
interlocking.
there for I feel do am.
Today, I was here. No, so come.
Okay.
So they release up there. Come there.
What if they don't release am?
No, you have to walk. You have to walk, man. That means they broke that for road. We don't. I'm broken.
It's kind of heavy.
You see the mama say
Heavy.
you don't do ridges already for yam. I hope this will not be like.
There is now. I'm so filled up. Tired. I need to sleep.